Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today we'll see how to prepare mushroom gravy, for which you will need the following ingredients to serve approximately 3 to 5 people. 200 grams of mushroom cut into big size pieces, 1 medium sized onion, 1 large sized tomato, 2 large cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger, 2 to 3 green chilies according to the required spice level, and some fresh coriander leaves. 3 big pieces of coconut, that's approximately 1/4 of a coconut. If you are using grated coconut, you will need at least 1 cup of grated coconut. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt, and some whole garam masala, that is 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, 1 star anise seed, 2 green cardamoms, 3 cloves, and 4 to 5 big pieces of cinnamon. First, in a pan I am going to add about 3 tablespoons of oil, and when it is hot I am going to add the 1 medium sized onion which I have finely sliced, along with the 2 to 3 green chilies which I have slit into 2, and I am going to saute it for about a minute until the onions become a little soft and turns golden in color. And then I am going to add the ginger and garlic which I have crushed into a fine paste and saute it for another minute until it loses the raw flavor. At this stage I am also going to add the coriander leaves which I have cut into small pieces and saute it along with the onion and ginger and garlic. By doing so, you will get a unique flavor for the curry. Rather than adding the coriander leaves at the final stage, adding at this stage gives a unique flavor and aroma to the curry. So after about a minute, I am going to add the 1 large tomato, again which I have thinly sliced, and I'm going to saute it for another 1 or 2 minutes until the tomatoes become very soft and the oil starts to ooze at the sides of the pan. And then add the 200 grams of mushroom which I have cut into big size pieces, and I'm going to saute it for another 2 minutes until the mushrooms shrink in size. And then I'm going to add the spice powders, that is the chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and the salt, and saute it for about 5 seconds, making sure not to burn the powders. At the same time, it should get sauteed well in the oozed out oil. And then add about 2 cups of water and allow it to come to a boil. Here I am using hot water directly from the kettle, so it has started to boil instantly. Now I am going to add the coconut mixture. Here I have grinded the coconut along with the whole garam masala into a fine paste, and I am adding it at this stage and mix it well. And also I am going to add another 1 cup of water by rinsing the mixer jar and allow this to come to a boil. So once it starts boiling, I am going to put it on a medium flame and close it with a lid and simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the curry has thickened well and the oil has started to form a layer on the top. So after about 12 to 13 minutes, you can see the curry has thickened well and the oil is floating and the curry is in the right consistency. Today I am preparing this curry for rice, so I am having a dilute consistency. But if you are preparing for chapati or paratha, you can reduce 1 cup of water. That is, instead of 3 cups of water, you just have to add 1.5 to 2 cups of water, and you'll get a thick consistency gravy for chapati and paratha. It goes well with rice, chapati and paratha. Try it and you'll really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.